Have you ever wondered what makes an aircraft maintenance hangar one of the most regulated and safety-critical environments in aviation? In this lesson, we'll explore the hazardous materials that keep aircraft running and the precautions that keep people safe. Welcome to Hangar Playbook, where aviation knowledge takes flight. This channel is built for every aviation enthusiast, technician, and student who wants to understand aircraft maintenance the way professionals do. In this very first episode, we're opening the playbook on one of the most safety-critical topics in aviation maintenance: hazardous materials. Hazardous materials, or HAZMAT, are substances that can cause harm to people, property, or the environment. In aircraft maintenance, these include adhesives, paints, cleaning solvents, oxygen cylinders, and even simple degreasers. Understanding these materials isn't optional. It's part of being a responsible aviation professional. Hazardous materials are grouped according to the type of danger they present. Flammable substances ignite easily when exposed to heat, sparks, or open flame, and must always be stored away from ignition sources. Corrosive materials can burn skin, damage eyes, or dissolve metal surfaces, requiring protective gear and chemical-resistant containers. Reactive substances are unstable. They may explode, ignite, or release harmful gases when mixed with other materials. Toxic materials, such as mercury or certain solvents, can poison people through inhalation, ingestion, or skin contact. And infectious materials, like contaminated medical waste, can spread disease if not sealed and disposed of properly. Each classification demands strict labeling, handling, and storage procedures to prevent injury, property damage, and contamination. Understanding these groups is essential to maintaining a safe and compliant workplace. To keep safety consistent worldwide, the United Nations developed 9 hazard classes for dangerous goods. Each class groups substances based on how they can harm people, property, or the environment. These classifications provide a universal language of safety, ensuring that workers, handlers, and inspectors across all countries identify the same risks the same way. From explosives and flammable liquids to corrosives, toxic agents, and radioactive materials, every hazard class has its own label, color, and symbol for quick recognition. By understanding these international markings, maintenance personnel can identify, segregate, and store materials correctly, preventing accidents before they happen. Learning these symbols means you can recognize danger instantly, whether in a local hangar, an international airport, or any maintenance environment around the world. It's a global standard designed to keep everyone safe. In aviation maintenance, hazardous materials are present in nearly every operation, from jet fuel, hydraulic fluids, and cleaning solvents to fire extinguishing agents and oxygen systems. Each of these materials serves a critical purpose in keeping aircraft functional and flight ready. However, mishandling even a small quantity can result in fires, toxic exposure, equipment failure, or serious injury. That's why safety in aviation maintenance is not just a checklist. It's a culture. It means understanding the materials you use, respecting their hazards, and following procedures with precision every single time. Because in the hangar, every drop, every label, and every action matters, protecting not only the aircraft, but also the people who maintain and fly them. The Material Safety Data Sheet, or MSDS, is your first line of defense. It provides details about a material's hazards, required personal protective equipment or PPE, and first aid measures. Before handling any chemical, always check the MSDS and follow every step listed. Safety in aviation isn't just about knowing the job, it's about respecting the risks. History has taught us that even small mistakes in handling hazardous materials can have catastrophic results. These lessons remind us that safety doesn't come from luck. It comes from discipline, awareness, and responsibility. You've just completed your first lesson with Hangar Playbook. If you learned something new today, subscribe for more real-world aviation lessons, safety insights, and maintenance stories. Keep learning, keep maintaining, and remember, aviation knowledge always takes flight.